welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all been doing great. So in the last video, I believe I did some final samples for the matching set and I was waiting for fabrics to come in. So one fabric has came in. So this one came from a shop in San Francisco, I believe, called APC Fabrics. And whenever I placed my order for like the 2 yards, he then messaged me and he was like, oh, we're out of that fabric. Can I show you this other one that we have? And it was like another one that I had seen, but on the listing on Etsy it shows that he has like 100 yards of that fabric available. So I'm like, okay, if it's not available, please remove it from the site, cause like I'm over here thinking like I'm getting this dark brown and that's not it. But there was another one that I had liked also that I was originally gonna get, but then I got the other one because it was a little bit darker brown, but I think I like this one. Now the question is, do I like the material? Boom. Wait. This is nice. So this is a lyocell tinsel gabardine snabbers. I don't know. Where's that from? I don't know. Gabardine or gabardine. I don't know. It's that means the weave of the fabric, like how it was woven. I don't really know, but this is it. Can you hear that? It's got some weight to it, so it's like a medium weight, but like soft. Like it's giving me suede, but not suede. And does it have any stretch? Ooh, has some stretch. Okay. So I got 3 yards, not 2 yards. So I can make samples, and it is 60-yard width, which I love. I really hope that I like the other two. I'm waiting on those ones. They said it was going to get here today, and they're coming from Beverly Hills, California. And I think those ones got sent first. Still says expected delivery today, but that's not going to happen. Tomorrow, I'm assuming. So I'm happy though, because I am supposed to leave on Wednesday. Today is February 7th. So, and I'm going to Florida for 2 weeks. And whenever I'm there, I'm like staying with my boyfriend and, you know, I'm going to hang out, but also I'm taking advantage and having a photo shoot with all of the pieces. I'm going to model these myself, and my boyfriend will be my photographer on his very nice camera. So yes, I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out this out of the pattern. Hello guys, so it is the next day. I ended up just cutting this out yesterday, and then I had to finish some other stuff, so I didn't get to start sewing until today. So I sewed this vest and I'm frustrated. Since this fabric has stretch, it's stretched, and the other samples and stuff that I was making didn't have any stretch, so it's much like baggier here, and like this back here, it's like just a lot more excess, and like this part kept like bunching or like kind of like falling over or something, so I had to redo it a bunch of times to get it like flat, and it's frustrating. And I did double side it. I would definitely need a different kind of lining because it's like it makes it thick. I don't want to deal with all that. I don't want to have to deal with that. And then I put like the little D-ring here. I have to make this shorter. I would have to adjust the pattern specifically to use this fabric compared to the other ones. I haven't done the pants yet. I'm gonna do the pants, but I just got the other fabrics in. I'm hoping these ones are better, which I think they are. Like, they're not the same. I got this one from Lyrical Fabric, which they are like a sustainable fabric store, and they use eco-enclosed mailers, which is what I use. They have a little sticker that says Sustainable Fabric Shop. Lyrical Fabric. Okay, they got that compostable. I mean, I haven't seen this one. This is at Hero Packaging. I've never seen this. Oh, they sent me some swatches. Included swatches of the Navy Modal and the Lyocell Pistachio, which I had asked for. I kind of asked for and I didn't. Wait, I love the pistachio. I wasn't sure, but I got this terracotta color, which is a different Lyocell twill. It's not gabardine like this one. Gabardine is like the weave of the fabric, so it has stretch in it. These do not. This is what I want. Yes, it has no stretch. This is what I want. This is what I like. I got this latte color, which I don't know about this. It is, this one was different than this one. Okay, I'm gonna finish the pants and then I will decide. Okay, so I didn't film myself making this because I was trying to whip it out real quick. I leave tomorrow night. And I have so many things I have to do. And like it's been a struggle. So I had made the brown pants. I didn't finish it completely. I just wanted to see if I liked the legs. I guess I'll just finish it when I come back because I don't even think I want to use that fabric for the collection. So I'll just sell it as like a one-off piece. But here it is in the terracotta color. I accidentally made this too low somehow. So I just need to like raise it up some more so there's not so much cleavage. I don't know if you can really see them. I just did one pleat facing out and they look good. I like them. I was like hesitant. I should have made the waistband tighter. It's too loose. It's like falling down. Just decided that I don't like these together. It looks decent together, but like I don't really like it. Like every time I go through this and I put them together, I don't like it. And I keep trying to change around the pattern, but I think it's just I don't like them together. Oh, also I put like a lining on the inside. Like I kept this as a facing, then I put this fabric I had, it's like a rayon as a lining, just to see how it would feel like with a different fabric on the inside, and I like it. I don't know, but I feel frustrated because I leave tomorrow and I wanted to have all these done, but now I'm reevaluating everything. Like it looks so much better cropped. Did it get dark? It looks so much better cropped. Should I just keep cropping it and cropping it? Just keep making it shorter? I swear. Okay, that's what it is. I just need to crop the vest more. It looks a lot better with the vest cropped more. And I can't even fix this. I need to add fabric to this, so I'm just going to leave it like this. But I just need to crop it even more, like literally a whole inch. It looks a lot better cropped, for sure. I think whenever it just overlaps too much, like it just looks like odd. Okay, I'm going to seam rip this and crop this. Goodbye. Hello. It's the next day. It's the day of my flight. I fly tonight at 10 o'clock basically. 9:50 is when it departs. And the airport is 2 hours away. And it is currently 12:12. And I woke up really early this morning and I like cleaned my house, finished packing and everything, and then I got here around 10 because I need to finish a dress that I have to take with me in my suitcase and to finish this vest. So the pants are basically done. I still have to put the clasp thing here. I keep forgetting to add it. And then the vest. I ended up shortening it like a whole inch. And the last thing I need to do is just do the buttonholes and sew on buttons. I don't have matching buttons, so I'm just going to do the buttonholes. And then when I'm over there in Florida, I'm just going to find some buttons at a fabric store and hand sew them because they're just buttons. We have finished. I got everything done, the buttonholes, and I put the clasp on the waistband, bringing thread and a needle, scissors, and I have a measuring tape at home that I'm bringing. And we are ready to finish this off over there. Now it's time to go home and finish packing.